Want to turn off reposts on Instagram? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the repost feature for your Instagram posts and reels to improve your privacy and control over your content. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open your Instagram settings. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You, then tap on Sharing and Reuse. Here, you'll find the option called Allow Reposts on Posts and Reels. Simply turn this option off. Once disabled, other users will no longer see the repost button on your Instagram photos and videos, which helps prevent your content from being reshared through the repost feature. If this setting does not appear on your screen, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because some features may vary depending on your app version or region. And that's how to turn off reposts on Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and privacy tutorials.